The original building that we had was like a tidal conservatory. It wasn't really energy efficient, so we just started the research to obviously extend out, and we wanted to open up the kitchen because it was quite dark. So yeah, we just started off thinking that we wanted to open the kitchen up and then replace what we had originally. So it was originally, we had the conservatory with just French doors, and that was the toy room, but like I say, it was cold, and so we just wanted to open it up just to have more of a family communal area really. When we initially started our research to come across the Guardian extensions, we liked the fact that it was time-wise, so the build time on site was shorter, and then the cost for us as well was cheaper as well. So overall, as a customer, it was a no-brainer for us really to go with. So I mean, obviously it was a big transformation, but the fact that it was shorter, so I think with the estimates for a brick build would have been about 4 months. This was done in, I think, 6 to 8 weeks. I think they had the conservatory down in a day. Obviously we had all this wall smashed out, so but like I say, within 8 weeks it was up and running. So from a family perspective, it was perfect really. So every morning the boys come round, sit on here, have their breakfast, and they're just loving the open space, and day to day we just love looking outside. And from an energy efficiency perspective, we've noticed like the temperature inside as well, which is one of the reasons we got it done. So certainly at the minute it seems to be been a really good move for us. And even though it's only dropped a couple of degrees since the summer when we had it done, I can already tell the difference. I know it's going to be warmer this winter. And on the morning, the sun's just bellowing through here, so it's really, really good. Everything's amazing. Just the service we had throughout was brilliant, and everyone who comes around just walks through that door and it's like, wow, straight away. So yeah, really, really good. So I would definitely recommend the Guardian extension as an option for when people are considering builds like this.